Hi dear besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malvika and welcome to a brand new video. This video is going to be related to me preparing for the first day for our board exams of English. So as a CBSE 10th grader, it's very crucial time as our pre-board exams are all over and we are kicking start our board exams in just 6 days. As of our English is the first exam, we had to prepare for a lot, but usually the seniors of ours usually mess up with English and other subjects. We usually study the other subjects very seriously on the gap days, but according to considering English, we usually skip those days and just go through all other subjects other than English. So we don't consider much a priority for English, and that is the trouble what we are causing to ourselves in these gap days. We usually prepare for the past year, but not completely in the gap days. So I don't want to make that such mistakes, so I am trying my best. I don't know if it is getting into my paper, but yeah, that's okay. I'll try my best, and the final result is not the thing which decides it. So yeah, I'm taking all my reference books and everything what I'm gonna do for these 6 days. This is the vlog of me preparing for the first day of English preparation of out of 6 days. The first day I was supposed to do all the things related to the main reader textbook, prose chapters, not the chapters which consist of poems, but all the prose chapters, only the prose. The poems will be done on tomorrow. So this is a register notebook which I took as of new, and there is a question bank notebook. There I'll be practicing the questions, and some questions which went wrong I'll be writing down into my usual notebook register, so I can go through the last day just before the exam, what I went wrong and what I am usually getting wrong, so I can decide to what to study much in priority. So you can see in this book I've already done many sample question papers of mathematics, science, social and everything. And the next thing which I'm gonna do, but the spiral of this notebook, it's a very cheap notebook as I bought it by mistake, but I'm utilizing it as there is no return possible. I'm utilizing this notebook because it's not at all in a very good quality, and the spiral things is just scattering around. I don't know what's happening with that notebook. And we have another thing, one previous year question paper book in which I'll be practicing for every subject, first for English, then for the next subject science and everything. And we have the solved papers, so it's convenient and to not to just go through any online websites for something, and you can download this from any channels. And yeah, we have some graph papers, some info sheets, some answer sheets and everything. So that's it, and I'm gonna fill this whiteboard with my timetable for our board exams. So let's see. And I thought for time being I shall give you a quick room tour or a study room section tour. So here comes a specs that I won't use very much, but yeah, that's for sake of eye protection from screen. A long period of screen scrolling can cause some irritation, so that's it. And we have a timer, a clock, an alarm clock, whatever, and we have a pen stand which consists of all the necessary things. We have a table lamp, we have some vision boards, some sort of things on my wall, which is usually there for some kind of motivation, some motivation cards and everything, which I prepared by myself. I'll be sharing it with you when the exams are all over. When we are almost free, I'll be sharing all the crafts and things and everything which I usually do. So yeah, this is the overview of this table, and yeah, this is a very good table for me personally. I don't want to spend a lot of money on table organization or new tables, so I prepared the desk and all the timetable, and here it is. And also we have another timetable prepared on facing my bedroom. So I planned just planned of what a rough sketch of what I'm going to do in this 3 days, first 3 days of my preparation for the board exams of English. I'll just plan down how many chapters and how many time I want to allot for one chapter, and I might multiply it with the number of hours. Like I got the total number of hours and divided it with how much of hours I can do it in one day. So I planned everything. So if you want to know how I planned, and if you want to do the same, please let me know in the comments. I'll be sharing it with you in the coming videos, or in just in the comment section. That will be so grateful if I let me know. Okay, then this was my lunch. My mom prepared very nicely. Like the lunch was super delicious, like scrumptious. And yeah, after that I sat down to study. So this was when I started to set the timer and started on with studying. And now I was doing the first chapter of English, like the chapter which was very easy, very thorough, but I'm just going through all the guide questions, as it is little bit like comparatively long
Study
with your
session
questions. So
for
I'm just
about
going
3
through all
hours
that.
really sleep. I'm not I'm not kind of a person who feels sleepy after sitting for a while, but today I was feeling like that. I thought not to go for sleep, rather than that I am gonna go get dressed up, like freshen up and come back to study. Then I'll be getting that kick back to study. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna take one short break for about 10 minutes or 10-15 minutes maximum. So that's it. Bye. Hi guys. So I am back after a very quick get ready with me, like some refreshment break. And yeah, I'm back on my table and going to study again. So I'm gonna start from right here. Like the time is, I don't know if it's visible to you. It's almost 7:30. I know there is no much time left to go to bed. So I'm planning. I have left 6 hours of study today. So I'll be little bit going fast through everything, and I'll be completing it by 5 hours.
So when I sat down to study, it was about 4 hours already completed, and I am going through my the start of fourth hour, and I was doing the notes of the last few chapters of the main reader textbook, like the proposal, the sermon at Benares and all that. And I was going through all the notebooks and the textbook, then the guide reference books, and that was a pattern in which I was following. And sometime in between, you can see I'm going somewhere else, coming back and sitting, and that's all what happens when I'm sitting and sitting in my dining table. But in the situation when I'm studying for a long time, especially some like subjects which is already been read by myself, like completing for not for completing for the first time and revising it again and again, we feel like it is just boring. So at that time I usually change my table surface into the dining table, then I'll be getting a little more concentration on there. And yeah, I was doing the same thing, like completing, go through my textbook and the notebook. And after that, the final chapter, the proposal, the play, which this chapter I don't get much of the explanation from the textbook, like it's already given us a play. So it's better to go through a reference book and get the exact points what it is meant to be. And I had written down in some like tones, which is very.
So guys, thank you for watching, and so, yeah, I'm extremely happy that you watched till the end. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and also like this video and share it with your friends. And see you all on my very next video, and until then, bye bye, good night.